Hello, car enthusiasts. Now you know me, I love a good powerful engine and a beautifully crafted chassis. But even I must admit, the most important thing about any car is safety. It doesn't matter how fast you can go if you can't stop safely, or how stylish the bodywork is if it crumples like a biscuit tin in an accident. Today, we're diving into 10 interesting facts about car safety. Some of these you might know, but I'm willing to bet a few will come as a surprise, even to the most seasoned car aficionado. So sit back, buckle up, and let's explore the fascinating world of car safety features. You know, the humble seat belt is perhaps the single most effective safety device ever invented for cars. It's a simple concept really, just a strap to hold you in place, but its impact on saving lives is immeasurable. ABS, or anti-lock braking system, might seem like just another fancy acronym, but it's a crucial piece of technology. It prevents the wheels from locking up during hard braking, allowing you to maintain steering control. Crumple zones are designed to deform in a controlled manner during a collision, absorbing the energy of the impact and reducing the force transmitted to the passenger compartment. Airbags are like having a big soft pillow explode into your face during a crash. Well, not quite, but they do inflate rapidly to provide a cushioning barrier between you and the hard parts of the car. Children are precious cargo, and car manufacturers go to great lengths to ensure their safety. From specialized child seats to strategically placed anchor points, there's a whole world of safety features dedicated to protecting our youngest passengers. ESC is like having an invisible co-pilot who anticipates slippery conditions and helps you maintain control of the car. It uses sensors to detect skids and automatically applies brakes to individual wheels, keeping you on the straight and narrow. Tires are the only point of contact between your car and the road, so keeping them in top condition is crucial for safety. Regular checks for tread depth, pressure, and overall condition can make a world of difference. Head restraints, those things that stick out of the top of your seat, aren't just for resting your head during long drives. They play a vital role in preventing whiplash injuries in the event of a rear-end collision. Safety glass is designed to shatter into small, blunt fragments rather than sharp shards, reducing the risk of serious injuries in an accident. It's a remarkable invention that has saved countless lives. Regular vehicle inspections are essential to ensure that all safety features are functioning correctly. It's like getting a checkup for your car, giving you peace of mind knowing that everything is in working order. Well, there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about car safety. I hope you found it enlightening and perhaps even a bit surprising. Remember, no matter how much you love cars, safety should always be your top priority. Drive with caution, be mindful of other road users, and always take the time to ensure your vehicle is in tip-top condition. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content like this.